Hello students, welcome to Chate Group of Education. Myself Rohini Pathak, Maths faculty. Today we study lesson mensuration. From this mensuration we study about cylinder. You know cylinder shape figure. See this figure which is of cylinder shape. See this figure. This is cylinder shape. You know cylinder shape. But if you cut this vertically, असं जर vertically तुम्ही cut केलं and open this, it becomes a rectangle. See again, it is cylinder. If you cut, then it becomes a rectangle. Means in cylinder, see here, in cylinder, if you take cut vertically, it becomes rectangle. See here, rectangle. Then this area of rectangle, area of this rectangle will be curved surface area of this cylinder. No, या cylinderचा हा काय will curved surface area. Okay, means area of rectangle, you know how to calculate area of rectangle? Length into breadth. This is length and this is breadth. But this length is this portion, no? This length, see here in this figure, see here, this is the length of rectangle. If you fold this, it becomes a cylinder. This length means the circumference of circle. This circumference comes here. And you know circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. Means length of this rectangle becomes 2 pi r. This is the breadth. But breadth nothing but height of this rectangle. Okay, therefore area of this rectangle becomes length into breadth, means 2 pi r into b. B means h. 2 pi r into h, and this area of rectangle becomes the curved surface area of cylinder. Therefore curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r, that is length, into breadth, means into h. This is first formula for cylinder. Now total surface area. What about total surface area? See here, this is cylinder. This end, this end is a circular region. Okay, means you have to add this circle as well as you have to add this also, bottom also. Top and bottom, these two faces are circular regions. Hence this portion is circular and circle's area pi r square. Here also pi r square, means we have to add pi r square plus pi r square for total surface area of cylinder. Therefore next formula becomes total surface area of cylinder is equal to curved surface area 2 pi r h, bottom area pi r square, top area also pi r square plus pi r square 2 pi r square, and here 2 pi r h. You can take common here 2 pi r. Therefore total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r. Common here remains h, plus here remains 1 r, because 1 r already common, means this is our formula for total surface area of cylinder. Now what about volume of cylinder? See here, volume means this space, empty space, hollow space. See here, this is the bottom. This bottom, how many times? H times, no? Bottomचा जो area है, that is h times, means pi r square h times. Means volume of this cylinder becomes pi r square h times, means pi r square h, and that is the formula for volume of cylinder. Volume is equal to pi r square h times means pi r square h. This is about cylinder. Are you remember this? Curved surface area 2 pi r h, total surface area 2 pi r in bracket h plus r, and volume of cylinder pi r square h. You have to remember these formulae forever. Okay, are you clear this point? Thank you.